Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be on my latest influencer box. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen my video where I talk about you guys can sign up for influencer, and depending on how much influence you have over the beauty community or the community in which you want to do whatever in, you have to link all your social media, etc. I will leave all that linked below because I don't even know what the hell I'm saying right now. But yeah, so influencer is kind of like a subscription box, but only you don't have to pay for it. And they give you surveys every once in a while to see if you qualify for that particular box. I got a box on vacation stuff, which is perfect because by the time you guys are watching this, I am actually going to be coming home from Vegas. So it's perfect for a vacation box. This is all recorded before Vegas. Of course, I had to pre-record. So some of this stuff I may be taking with me on vacation. Postcard of what's in the box and everything like that. So pretty much this is the Vacay box, and in it has the Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. The MSRP for it is $11.99 and it's 6 ounces. So it says, with 10 benefits in one miracle formula, this hair primer does it all. Detangles, reduces frizz, helps strengthen, soften, cut drying time down, add shine, nourishes, smooths, and protects against thermal and UV damage. Argan oil feeds hair with vitamins and nutrients, while sunflower seed oil repairs, nourishes, and protects. I will be taking this with me on vacation. When I come back, I will let you guys know. I like to always take like little sample products because I pack very lightly when I travel. I will have a whole video on packing for Vegas, I hope to get that out for you guys. Next up is the Clean It Up shampoo. The MSRP is $8.99 and typically it's 16.9 ounces. So it says, this gentle shampoo cleanses, strengthens, and nourishes hair. Argan oil feeds hair with vitamins and nutrients, while Aravis delivers optimal anti-breakage benefits and is scientifically proven to dramatically increase strength and flexibility. And this one is available at Ulta, Sally's Beauty, Target, and Riley Rose, which I never heard of. So that would be this bad boy over here. This is 3.4 fluid ounces. I'm not going to be taking this with me because I always use the hotel shampoo and conditioner. I like to pack light, I told you guys. But I will definitely try it out when I get back home. Okay, next is the Kiss Lash, and it is the blowout lashes in Page Boy, and the MSRP is $4.49 for a single pack. So it says, now introducing new Kiss Blowout. The next gen wispy utilizes an advanced technology to deliver a naturally wispy looking lash with fuller, bouncier volume and more curl, designed to flatter every eye shape and lash line. Available in 5 unique wispy styles. So this is what these look like. They look a little aggressive, but I will definitely try them. Maybe I'll bring them on vacation. I'll try them. I don't think it comes with lash glue. Okay, next is the Invisible Bauble. So the original MSRP is $7.99 and the shades Mint to Be, Blush Hour, or To Be, or Nude to Be. And it says, with Invisible Bauble Original, it is time to say bye-bye to annoying knots and tousled braids. The hair ring has a strong grip, great wearing comfort, and can easily be removed from hair. And that is what these look like. I'm probably going to take these with me. I think that might be cool to try them out there and let you guys know what I think. So they gave me a coupon for a free 7.2 ounce bag of Sour Patch Kids, which I think was pretty cool. And this, which I had no idea what it was, but my husband was like, oh, that's what you put on the back of your phone, and then you put your credit card in it. Probably not going to be using it. Maybe I'll do a giveaway in the future, but yeah. So that is what is in this box, and it also comes with a coupon for one of the hair care products that I had mentioned. So I will definitely let you guys know, but if you guys want to sign up for Influencer, I will leave the link down below. You guys can do it through my code, and then I will get credit, and you guys will get credit, and we'll all get credit like that. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye, guys.